Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your web applications with Fortinet, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your web applications with Fortinet, start by assessing your current security posture. Identify the specific web applications that need protection. Next, ensure you have a Fortinet account set up and access to the FortiWeb product. Log into the FortiWeb management interface. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your application security status. Proceed to configure your web application firewall settings. Begin by creating a new policy for your web application. Specify the name and description for the policy you're creating. Define the type of traffic you want to inspect. Choose between a blocking mode or monitoring mode based on your requirements. Next, configure the security profiles. These profiles should include settings for SQL injection prevention, cross-site scripting protection, and bot mitigation. After setting the security profiles, associate them with your web application. Make sure to apply the latest FortiOS updates to ensure maximum security. Now, set up your HTTPS settings to ensure encrypted traffic. Import or create an SSL certificate for secure connections. Continue by configuring access control lists to restrict who can access your web applications. Next, enable logging to keep track of security incidents and requests. Review the logging settings and ensure they meet your compliance requirements. Create alerts for any significant security events to inform your team promptly. Conduct a vulnerability scan on your web applications to identify existing issues. Based on the scan results, prioritize vulnerabilities and apply necessary patches. Regularly update your security policies to adapt to emerging threats. Finally, schedule periodic security audits to continually assess the effectiveness of your Fortinet protection. Monitor the FortiWeb dashboard regularly for insights into traffic patterns and potential threats. With these steps, you will enhance the security of your web applications using Fortinet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.